Hi, this is Siddharth from Telecom Lead. Airtel today launched Project Next, its digital innovation program aimed at transforming customer experience across all of its services and touchpoints. Here we have Harmeen Mehta, CIO and Director Engineering, Airtel, answering some of the queries related to recent developments in the industry. So, what are the significance of the Project Next? Because server customers are moving to buy things from online.
So I think Project Next is all about bringing a postpaid promise to the customers, and in fact, it's going to be mostly available digitally as well. So they can actually go and acquire new connections online as well as add family, etc. on the app. So it's very much a highly digitally delivered play. I think it's very in line with the kind of customer base that we are targeting as well, which actually wants to do things themselves and go and acquire online or change their plans and service themselves on the app or web.
What are the demands of the customers when they visit Airtel store?
I think Airtel store, when the customers visit, it just depends on whatever is on their mind at that point. So many people come to pay their bill, they come to inquire about new products, they also come to change their plans, see what is the best offer that they can get, as well as if they have a problem, they want to do a SIM swap or get a new connection or anything. Every service on postpaid is done in the stores, and that's what they largely come for. And I think the new experience is going to be very different for them. So they're going to be able to interact a lot more with with all the digital offerings, etc., and make up their mind on their own. And it should be a fun experience as well.
What are your plans to reduce churn in customer service?
Our plan is to deliver an exceptional customer service, and our customers, if they are happy with us, they'll love us and stay with us, and that's what the plan is always. I think we're very, very focused on the customer. In fact, that's our single obsession, is the customers. And everything we build, design, create is very inspired by what our customers tell us. Whether it's problems they're facing and we find solutions to them, or it's things that they really like and want to see more of, we build those products. But it's very, very customer centric, and it's all about them at the end of the day. And when they're happy, they stay with us and keep us happy.
Are your digital investment reducing churn?
See, the digital investments are considerably focused on improving the customer experience and allowing for a lot of things to happen by the customers themselves. That's what the real focus is. And yes, in fact, if we look at our customer base, which is heavily on our digital properties, it is a customer base that has been with us for a very, very long time. So I think they like that, and we like that they like that. So Project Next is all about bringing a postpaid promise to our customers, and it's really focused on bringing the best propositions to them and offering a very secure service that secures their data, their privacy, as well as their smartphone. It's also about providing data rollover, which is a first of its kind concept in the country. It's all about that if you've got unused data today, you just lose that data. Now, within the same proposition, what we're going to do is allow you to roll over that data. You can continue to accumulate your data, and then you can share it across your family. And it also brings a family promise, whereby you can bring different members of your family onto the Airtel account, and it's a very, very digitally delivered and very seamless experience. You can add a child. The child has their own parental controls on what they want the parent to see and what not, whereas the parent also has controls on how much quota they want to share with the child, etc. You can pay through a single bill. It's actually a wonderful experience. It's worth trying. You can even go from pre to post, add a child which is on prepaid, bring them onto postpaid all with a single click without any documentation, which is the first of its kind as well in this country. So hopefully customers enjoy it.